Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of chia seeds and uncovering the incredible benefits they can bring to your diet. You know me, I love talking about simple changes with big impact, and chia seeds are a perfect example of that. These tiny seeds are absolutely packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and so much more. We're going to break it all down, talk about the science, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you should consider adding chia seeds to your daily routine. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why these little guys are nutritional powerhouses. We're talking fiber, protein, healthy fats, and a whole bunch of vitamins and minerals like manganese, phosphorus, and calcium. Just a single ounce, that's about 2 tablespoons, packs a serious nutritional punch. And the best part? They're super versatile. You can sprinkle them on your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, blend them into your smoothies, or even use them as an egg replacement in baking. Stay tuned, because we'll be talking more about how to easily add them into your diet later on. Now let's talk about antioxidants. These guys are like the superheroes of the nutrition world, fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals are linked to all sorts of health problems, from aging to chronic diseases, so we want to keep them in check. That's where chia seeds come in. They're loaded with antioxidants that can help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and even boost your immune system. It's like having a little army of defenders inside your body. Struggling with those pesky cravings? Chia seeds might be your new secret weapon. Remember all that fiber we talked about? Well, it plays a key role in weight management. Chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, making you feel fuller for longer. This can help curb those cravings and prevent overeating, which can be a game changer when it comes to reaching your weight loss goals. Let's be real. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and chia seeds can be your gut's new best friend. That amazing fiber content we keep talking about? It's not just good for making you feel full, it's also essential for keeping things moving smoothly in your digestive system. Chia seeds act like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and promoting a healthy balance. This can help with everything from regular bowel movements to improved nutrient absorption. We all know that heart health is crucial, and making healthy choices is key. The good news is that adding chia seeds to your diet can be a simple yet powerful step in the right direction. Remember those healthy fats we talked about earlier? Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly ALA, which have been linked to improved heart health. We're talking lower blood pressure, reduced triglyceride levels, and even a lower risk of heart disease. Strong bones are essential for an active and healthy life, and chia seeds can play a surprising role in supporting your bone health. Why? Because they're a great source of several key nutrients that are important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These minerals work together to build and maintain strong bones and prevent bone loss, which is especially important as we age. So adding chia seeds to your diet is like giving your bones a little extra love and support. Okay, so we've talked about all these amazing benefits, but you might be wondering, how do I actually eat these things? Don't worry, incorporating chia seeds into your diet is super easy. They have a mild, slightly nutty flavor that won't overpower your food. You can sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, blend them into your smoothies, or even use them as an egg replacement in baking. Get creative and have fun with it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Remember, even small changes to your diet can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Give chia seeds a try and see the incredible benefits for yourself. See you next time!